The next topic is classification of organic compounds. On the basis of structure, organic compounds have two types. Open chain are acyclic organic compounds. Closed chain are cyclic organic compounds. First, we are going to discuss the open chain or cyclic organic compounds, in which these are the compounds in which carbon atoms are in open chain skeleton or structure. They can form long possible chains. In the form of chain, the chain may be straight chain or branch chain. चेन आपके पास स्ट्रेट भी हो सकती है और ब्रांच भी हो सकती है. सो ओपन चेन आर acyclic organic compounds have two types: straight chain organic compounds and branch chain organic compounds. First, we will discuss about the straight chain organic compounds. In straight chain, as the name indicates, all the carbon atoms are arranged in a straight line. Carbon atoms linked with each other to form a straight chain. For example, that is N-propane. N prefix is used for straight chain. Linear arrangement आपके पास 1 2 3 4 butane है आपके पास. N prefix is used for straight chain. The next is 1 2 3 4 and 5 carbon containing compound, which is pentane, and we use prefix N for straight chain organic compounds. The branch chain organic compounds are, as the name indicate, they are not in linear sequence. All the carbon atoms are not in a linear sequence, but they have a branched. Maybe at least one carbon atom is linked with more than टू कार्बन एटम्स. अगर इसमें देखें तो ये वाला कार्बन आपके पास दो कार्बन एटम के साथ अटैच है. इस कार्बन को देखें तो ये भी दो के साथ अटैच है. सिंगल बॉन्ड है, दो के साथ अटैच है. लेकिन ब्रांच चेन में कोई ऐसा कार्बन एटम होगा जो दो से ज़्यादा कार्बन एटम्स के साथ अटैच्ड होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल इन आइसोब्यूटेन, इस कार्बन को देखें तो ये आपके पास तीन कार्बन से अटैच्ड है, 1 2 एंड 3. तो ये ब्रांच आ जाती है, ये स्ट्रेट चेन नहीं है. इस कार्बन को देखें तो इसमें भी एक कार्बन ऐसा है जो इन टर्न तीन कार्बन के साथ अटैच्ड है. एंड ब्रांच चेन के लिए हम जो प्रीफिक्स यूज़ करते हैं दैट इज़ आइसो. दिस वन इज़ आइसोब्यूटेन एंड दिस वन इज़ आइसोपेंटेन. सो these are the two types of open chain or acyclic organic compound: straight chain and branch chain. In straight chain, carbon atoms linked with each other to form a straight chain. They can form a long possible chains, and a prefix N is used for straight chain organic compounds. Straight chain acyclic organic compounds, and the branch chain organic compounds, they contain one carbon atom which is at least one carbon atom which is linked with more than two carbon atoms in their molecule, and a prefix iso is used for branch chain organic compounds. The next is classification of organic compounds on the basis of bonding. Organic compounds are further classified into saturated organic compounds and unsaturated organic compounds. Organic compounds की अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, जो कौन से होंगे? ओपन चेन की ही फर्दर टाइप्स हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ बॉन्डिंग. सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स organic compounds and unsaturated. Saturated, as the name shows, they have not ability to add something, so all the bonds will be a single covalent bond between the two carbon atoms, having single covalent bond between two carbon atoms. Example of this type of bonding are basically alkane. AN stands for a organic compounds having single covalent bond. Unsaturated organic compounds having at least one or more than one double or triple covalent bond. Example, alkenes. ENE stands for double bond, YNES stands for alkynes. So example अगर देखें तो ब्यूटीन एंड ब्यूटाइलिन. अल्केन की एग्जाम्पल आपके पास आ जाती है, मीथेन आ जाती है, CH4. Further, the second type of Second group of organic compound is closed chain are cyclic organic compounds. Cyclic organic compounds further divided into two types, homocyclic and heterocyclic. So we will discuss homocyclic and heterocyclic in next